today we're opening Light and Bright. And you know what? If it's dark, it can shine. So there are tiny things you put on this blackboard and you can make anything when it's night and you switch off all the lights. I'll show you your sign. And it has 3 batteries. And we have 5 batteries here. And my dad is gonna help me put the batteries on Light and Bright. So let's cut! So here, I'm gonna turn it around and show you. Ooh, there's tape here. Oh, I just broke it. Okay, now we're going to open this. Okay, now this is nothing. I just put it in here. Hey, I can hear something. Okay, so here, this blackboard. Look! So here, maybe you want to put the batteries, and here you can switch on button. Okay. Now, last thing is right here. Oh, here are the tiny lights. See? It's tiny. Okay, if you lose one of these, you lost it and never make it again. So always get a big container and put it in somewhere in one spot before you put it down in your table or you'll lose them. Okay, I decided I'm going to do it. Not my dad. So here's the cereal box, alright? Right. Let's see. This. So you see, this, there is a plus here. And here's the minus, you can see? So the minus always go in the spring. Can you see? Right, so the other battery. So you can see the minus and plus. So the minus always go in the spring, all right? You got it? And one more battery. Minus goes in spring. And we are done. Now I'm gonna screw it in. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the toolbox aside. And I'm gonna decide here. Now I'm gonna open these small lights. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get a big container. But I'll just use the box. I got this box. It has a minion. So cool. So I'm going to, so see this? So you can close and open. Alright. Now let's cut it open and put it in the box, the minion box. Okay. How about let's make something. You know what I'm gonna make, guys? I'm gonna make a heart. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make this a little darker. I'm magic right here. Okay? You can see I'm gonna put making a heart right now. There's all different kind of colors to make anything. Which color you want, but I'm gonna make a rainbow shape heart. Okay. Making a heart with these are hard. And we're gonna go up now. Up and down, up and down. This is my best heart I can do right now. It's a sideways heart. So sideways. And Valentine's time, you always give a heart to somebody. Here's my beautiful heart. Now I'm gonna switch it on. Ready, set, bam! And, oh. You cannot see it. Ta-da! Did you saw that? Now I'm gonna switch it off. It's not gonna work. Okay, I made my nice picture. Now I'm gonna switch off the light. In 1, 2, bam! Wow! I'll switch on the light. Bam! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell. Different patterns it will do. It'll glow in the dark, and let's switch on. Wow! Bye-bye, like, subscribe, hit the bell, like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment.